Hey, Adam here, formerly the Decay guy, now the LED guy. That's right, I'm focusing exclusively on products that stick LEDs in the forefront. So this could be something as simple as an LED fixture, like this. Could be something that creates ambient, like this glide bar that I have behind me. It could be the ring lights that I have lighting my studio. Could be stuff for your car. Could be stuff for wherever. But right now, I have some mood enhancing lights. And these are by On. Okay, so these are Govee lights right here. Govee, very pricey, excellent integrated. You can integrate them across all of your entire house, inside and out, sync it to music. Very cool. Super expensive. These, dirt cheap. I mean, 8-pack of hex lights for $30. If you were to buy that from Govee, it's gonna be like 200 and something. And I'm an affiliate of Govee. And I have Govee, I mean, this is a Govee lamp right here. And I've got these hex panels here, and this is a 10-pack. But so I actually bought 2 of these from On, because I really like the hex. I think there's a lot of freedom in how you can position them on the wall. Not a lot of freedom with these big bars. So I've got a square here and a kind of squiggle line on that one. But like with hex, you can connect them like honeycombs. I mean, you can make whatever shape you want. Problem is you need a lot of them to be able to do that. So I spent $60 on these lights. Boom, look at this remote, little battery pull tab right here. Man, it's got 4 music settings, 10 different modes. Speed, you can control the speed, you can set a timer. Okay, so let's see the size of the hex pack. That's it, right there. It actually has 6 facets on the surface. I'm very curious to see what these will look like. I really like how even these hex packs are. Let's plug it in. Not bad. I mean, it's not the most even. The hex is a little bit bigger than that one, which is nice. But man, it's kind of got a cool like star design to it. And let's see if we have the remote. Let's pull the battery tab out. If I can change these colors. Oh, whoa, that sky blue one. That looks phenomenal. Talk to my voice. Oh, it's RGBIC. Look at the different colors on a single hex. What? Oh my gosh. That is... Does this say RGBIC? It does right here. I didn't even know that. Ah, oh, I'm in love with that. So we've got a bunch of connectors. Okay, so you have to be able to connect these things. You see all these USB ports around the outside. That's so you can stick those hex on whatever side you want. And this comes in an 8-pack, but it says right on the outside that you can connect up to 16. So that's why I got it. Not all controllers will allow you to control all of the lights at a single time. But you can put 16 of these bad boys together off of one cable. I love that. And these cables are like, I painted this cable black. This is neon, actually, not LED. And I painted this cable black, but this one's white, kind of stands out. So I like to minimize the number of cables that I have showing. So it's nice that I can get 16 of them all on one and be able to connect them, these mounting pads. Oh, 3M, they're small. I like that. Sometimes these come with like super strong grip, two-sided tape, and it rips the paint and the drywall off when you get done. Here's a nice little circle. So you're always like this blend of sticking on the wall, not falling off, and then not ripping the wall down when you take them down. So they come with a ton of pads. Look at that dealer's choice. Royal flush, baby, royal flush. They actually give you more than you need. I always like to position them before I mount them on the wall to see, hey, where am I going to put them? I'll probably just end up putting them here somewhere because I had another sign here and I took it down. But so it's kind of a gap right here. I think I'll just do some cool design right there. You always want to position the first one, make sure it's perfectly square. I like using a laser level to be able to show, because if it's crooked a little bit, then everything ends up crooked. Okay, so one thing I want you to notice is there is the proper side. You can see pre on the left side, and then next, you want to make sure it's plugged in the right way. You want the pre to go on the part that's already lit, like this. Okay, so we have the pre and the lit part already, and then we can just slide the next hex in just like that. And then this is nice. It has these little pieces that it comes with to hold the hex together. So if you're using 2, you can just use this bridge right here. But if you're using 3, if you got 3 all next to each other, you can use this bridge and hold them all together. This is a really nice feature. Okay, I connected them all together. I got the remote here, just going through some different functions with the remote. The remote works really well. There's tons of modes on it. I love this RGBIC mode the best, where it changes different colors within each hex panel, and the hex panels are all different colors. It's just a phenomenal unit. I love the way it looks. You're going to be super excited by it. If you get it, you're going to love it too. And the price is right.